Do you know what this is? Does it smell or no?
No.
All right, this is, oh man, look at this. This looks like small garlic. This looks like medium garlic.
And this
Is that
is
large?
absolutely massive garlic.
Wow. Well, look at this one. Look at this one.
Got big stems.
Yeah.
Oops, you can remove
So we're gonna figure out how to plant this. Put a pencil mark right at 6 feet exactly. I think it'll just be this high, right? I think it'll only be this high for the garlic. How big are these? Measure. We're gonna cut these down, right? So measure from here to here. So translate this to there.
It's not crime. I don't want to get cut by the straw.
It is not a crime. That's one. Oh! Here, watch your face. Take it.
It's good soft, but you can't go as fast.
That's two. Whew. Arms tired?
Yeah.
I know.
I guess.
Smell this. You know what that is?
Manure.
Chicken poop. Sprinkle that. Off all of it. You can use your hands too.
Do you need chicken poop? Because you not use it in your garden.
Go on. Where's the top? Where's the bottom? That's the root, right? Okay.